Hello again, this is Joy. This is the second part of Tina's challenge for the letter H. Hope you like it. I've just about got 6 minutes. I'm going to put a couple of brads in here, and I've made a second little notebook. So with a brad hinge. So I've got my box of brads here, and I'm going to choose some quite big ones. I hope you can see what I'm doing. I'm just putting the brad through there. And the pins like that. I have another big one here. I like. Does it go? Yeah, I think so. It's a different colour, but I haven't got time for fussing, have I? Right, well maybe I'll change that one because I've got another nice one here. That is there. Oh, don't start, brads. Okay, I'll do a bit of a big pokey hook there. That's it. Off you can. I think what I need to do, get that out of the way. Ooh, time's going quickly. It goes too quickly, doesn't it? Right, let's put a bit of this paper here. Scissors. Got my hot glue gun on, so because that's a little bit ugly, isn't it? Right, about there and there. Okay, hot glue gun, please work. Thank you. And this on top of it. Ouch, 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 ouch. That's quite nice little folder booklet. Okay, that was the idea. I had some stickers here. Let's see. Have I got time for stickers? I don't think. So here, life is beauty. If this works really well for me, then it'll be fine, because I only have about 2 minutes. Come on, please, pretty please. Come on, pretty please. There you go. Thank you. Life is beauty. Not much decoration. Right, final thing are tags. I'm using the same wonderful paper because I love it so much. I'm not going to be able to make 2 tags, but I can certainly make 1 tag. Okay, and I'm going to cut the tops here like this. And the hinge, let's get rid of some of this. I was going to do, or I am going to do a flower. Okay, if I can get it out quick enough. This is not the scissors. These are the scissors. Okay. Maybe that's a bit too big. Okay, it is. So what have I got? 140. Okay, do what I thought to do in the first place. I want to distress that a little bit. Okay, good. Right, glue gun. I hope I'm not going over time when I edit now, because it's ouch, 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 ouch. Don't do this at home, children. This is not the kind of thing to do. Well, because my hot glue gun is a very old one and it gets very hot. So I should have, oh, it's very nice anyway. So this is going to be what we call a flip over, and it's going to go over a book page like this. And I've done it in 20 seconds, but I don't think I've got any time to put anything on it, have I? So are these people from a book? I'm cutting out rapidly. Maybe, yeah. I don't know if this will work. Oh, que susto! I jumped a mile. Okay, thank you. I'm sorry, people. Just going to cut this last bit off here. There we are. Okay, there we are. 3 things in. Well, come on, stop, stop, stop. Thank you. I got the wrong thing. All panic stations. And a mess. Look at my desk. Okay. So I managed to do 3 things. The hinges on the little other notebook. In fact, this should be glued down together because this was going to be the cover. Okay, which I didn't do. So that's going to be nothing to write on, really. And then you've got 2 signatures. I could round the edges too. I don't know if I have my corner rounder here. I do. Okay. We seem to be doing always the finishing touches at the end. Okay. There we are, that's much nicer, isn't it? Okay, and this one could be rounded too. I don't know if I can do it. This is tougher. Oh no, it's not so tough. Whoops, in you go. There we are. Again. Alright. And the flop over tag, which is not stuck properly there, because I was in a panic, wasn't I, of getting it done right. So excuse me a second as I just do that second bit. There we are. No, it's stuck to get that one. Sorry, off camera. There we are. Maybe it needs something in the middle there. Maybe, I don't know. Have I got anything here yet? Maybe another tiny flower just to finish it off. It's very hard to do the finishing when you're under such pressure. Okay, let's get you a bit distressed. You know, it's ironic. I spent all my life making sure that my whites were white when they go out on the line, only to change the whites here into browns to make them look vintage. It is so funny, isn't it? Okay, life is so funny. That's really quite nice. I don't know if you like it, but I do. Anyway, so there are my 3 things. and I'll see you next time. Okay, take care everybody. Bye for now.